Good morning, everybody. Today we are making homemade slime. And we are going to need, out of our ingredients, we will need water. We'll need water. We will need white glue. We will also need borax. And a few drops of food coloring, which is optional, but I thought in the spirit of St. Patrick's Day, we will do green. All right, so your first step in a medium bowl, we are going to mix a half a cup of glue. So I have a half a cup right here, half cup of glue and a half of cup of water. So I need to pour out my glue into my half cup. Oh, it may require 2 bottles, just a heads up. I'm pouring. Oh, look at that. Maybe there's an exact half cup in each bottle. Pretty cool. All right, so I'm just letting it drip out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the glue into my medium bowl as I'm letting my others kind of drain, because it should be just about a half cup. All right, drip, 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 drip. Oh, that's already fun in itself.
There we go.
Chop, chop, chop.
Drip, drip, drip.
Chop, chop.
We had some serious technical difficulties over here this morning.
Pancake.
Yes, okay.
Oh, are you dripping out your glue, Mavi?
So yeah, pause. So we're dripping.
So mine was actually about half a cup of the bottle. I mean, the
Is
whole
it
bottle was about half a cup.
I missed the first part. Okay. All right, here we go.
No, it's just, I think you'll just need about a full bottle of one glue.
Okay. Well, we've got 2 in there, so we're good.
Well, it'll just make extra.
Huh, the joke.
More
There you
slime,
go.
better.
All right.
All right. So then next, we are going to, for the half cup of glue in your bowl, we are going to add a half a cup of water.
All right. You ready?
Cup waters.
Cup of waters. That's right.
Cup waters.
Okay. Hold on.
Okay.
I just have a little half a cup. All right, pour it on in. Hopefully that will be enough. And then to this, if you did want to do food coloring, which I chose to do green, you are going to add it to the glue and water. Oh, that's fun to watch. So it looks like that so far. Good job, Mavi. You helping your mom? Are you pouring out your glue? Yeah.
Adding.
Okay. All
I
right.
do it. Adding. Sure.
Okay.
Sure, adding.
That's Auntie's shirt too. Okay. All right. We're catching up. Just carry on. We're a hot mess.
You're good.
Okay.
So then in a small bowl, which I accidentally grabbed too probably big a bowl. So let me get green in the theme. In a smaller bowl, we are going to mix 1 teaspoon of borax. So I think I have enough borax. Thank you, Miss Courtney. 1 teaspoon into a small bowl.
All right, so for the Hot Mess Express over here, 1 teaspoon in a separate bowl, not the big bowl.
Right, and another little small bowl.
Okay, hold on.
This is how we learn. Just work together.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Working together is good, huh, Matt?
All right, here we go. 1 teaspoon. And so I'm gonna need 2 because we have 2 vouchers. Here we go. 1.
Mommy.
You help me? Okay, ready.
2.
Good job.
There you go.
All right, we've caught up.
And then into the same bowl with just the borax, you will add 1 cup of water. And then you will need to mix it until the borax dissolves. So until you can't see the little white specks in it. Stir, 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 stir. Sorry. All right, I'm gonna stir until it dissolves. I'm stirring left, stirring right. And after you said, Miss Courtney, that you use it for laundry, I can't wait to try it. All right. So until it dissolves, and then you will add the glue mixture to the borax solution. So this is going to be our solution, which is the water and borax. And then in your other bowl, you had your food coloring, water, and glue. So you will add that to the water and the borax. I'm still, it's not quite dissolving as fast as I would like it to, but that's okay. Get my arm workouts in. I can justify not going to the gym that way. Okay, so I'm gonna start scooping my glue and water and food coloring into my water and borax. Hopefully I get all of my glue. That's the good stuff. Okay, best that I can, I think. Whoa. It looks cool. Looks so fun. Just because I'm gonna add, I know I lost some of my glue, so I just added a squirt. So stirring slowly with the glue, the water, the borax solution, we're gonna stir slowly. And when the slime begins to set, you'll need to knead it with our hands until it gets less sticky. So I'm gonna stir with my hands with my spoon first, and then I'll get my hands dirty.
Sticky.
Oh,
Sticky.
sticky! It is sticky, huh?
Yeah.
Does it look cool now? Do you like it?
Uh-huh.
But I think I'm using the wrong spoon for this whole thing.
Do you have liquid in your bowl still?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, just making sure.
And so I think it's, when it's saying stir slowly, it's probably just trying to get all the stuff together, I would guess. But man, I do have a lot of water for some reason. But I don't know why it seems very, very watery. Hopefully I didn't add too much water. But maybe it comes together, and that's why they're saying knead it, is maybe you take it out of the water too. That could
That's what I'm thinking, because we're in it and it's kind of, I think the water is supposed to kind of just be left over
Yeah.
once we need the, does it feel good?
No one wants I need fire.
All right,
Hi, again.
that's Emma, say hi, Emma.
Hi, Mama.
I'm Abby.
And I can't see Noah, is Noah still with us?
Yes. Yeah.
Good morning, Noah. Say hi, Noah.
Hi, Noah.
So I kind of picking mine up and hoping that if I need it and then just leftover water, I'm grabbing the chunks out. And I'm just kind of.
I want blue.
Yes, hold on. I'm gonna move it to the different,
Blue,
this water. Sorry.
green.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing. That's a good idea. And I should have put that on the instructions. I never made it. So this is science. We learn.
No,
We're learning as we go, and I
blue,
have
and
never done this
orange.
before. We could have tried, what is that behind the scenes, did some quality control, but it's definitely starting to gel up. The more you play with it, it's becoming more
Mommy,
slimy.
slimy.
Slimy, yeah. Yeah, the more you play with it, it definitely gets thicker.
Want a cup?
Yeah, there you go. All right.
Whoa.
Spoon. Only good.
Yeah, it's definitely starting to get together, but I love the feeling of slime. If you don't like slime, then maybe this isn't for you. But I think the water helps when you're kneading it a little because it keeps it off of your hands, is not, so it's not as sticky. All right, still kneading. Whoa! It's so pretty. I could have added more food coloring, but I'm definitely learning as I go, but I'm definitely enjoying my good messiness, especially after I painted my shamrock this morning with my hands. The green's just adding to that. It's working out. Okay, my slime is looking pretty slimy, which I'm very happy about. Is it not working as much? Whoa. Well, I think it's like all about the water and the kneading process. The soluble versus insoluble. See, but now it's stuck like that. Mav, look, it's slimy. Is he loving it? Are you having fun, Noah? Thanks for sticking with us. You're doing great. Whoa. Okay, now I've like contorted it to a whole new extent. But the more you play, the more fun it gets. Whoa. I don't like the sound as much, but that's okay. So I'm gonna remove my water. And now I'm just gonna play with it on my cutting board and see how it turns out. Whoa. Awesome. Is yours starting to thicken up?
My hands are so slimy, I can't unmute. Yes, so the more we play with it, the better it's getting, definitely. We had an ugly phase there for a minute. Can you tell Emma, tell Emma, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I appreciate you guys joining me, and great job, Noah. And I can't wait to do it again next Thursday. We'll have something fun in store.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Bye, guys. Enjoy your time.